first challenge in making a movie is finding the screenplay. Hey, yo, Suefield! What's up, man? Nothing, I'm trying to put another movie together. Yeah, what's going on with that Zombie Island script you got? A few of the folks over at Miss Writing S&M have stepped up to the plate, and they're going to try to work on something which is huge for us because they're real writers. And it's one thing to say you're going to write a movie and you write your first screenplay and you really have no idea what you're doing. I want to read the whole thing. Do me a favor and email it to me.